Getting arrested for a simple drug offense is stressful enough, but getting arrested with both drugs and guns is very, very serious. So the Indiana Code lays out specific circumstances where a criminal offense can be enhanced to an even higher charge. So the Indiana Code for a possession of a controlled substance or possession of some type of drug with a possession of a firearm could enhance it to a higher level felony. Now, whether you are legally allowed to possess a firearm or not is irrelevant to the enhanced charge. So say you get arrested for possession of an illegal substance. That could be cocaine, methamphetamine, or any other illegal substance. And if you are in possession of a firearm, at the time you were arrested, here's what you could be charged with. For example, if you are found with possession of methamphetamine between 5 grams to 10 grams, and that starts off as a level 6 felony under the Indiana Code. A level 6 felony carries 6 months to 2.5 years imprisonment and a fine of up to $10,000. However, if you are charged with possession of methamphetamine with a firearm, that enhances the level 6 felony to a level 5 felony. A level 5 felony carries a minimum of 1 year to a maximum of 6 years incarceration and a fine of up to $10,000. So just having that firearm increases a potential penalty that you could have had from a misdemeanor, a level 6, all the way up to a level 5 or even higher. Now here's a scenario. Imagine someone who goes into a friend's house and they bring a small baggie of cocaine. Say that friend has a gun in that bedroom and that person and a friend are together in that bedroom. There's a knock on the door and the police are there to serve a valid search warrant for the house. They search the house and they search the person and they find that baggie of cocaine and they also find that friend's gun in the bedroom. So could this person who brought the cocaine be charged with possession of cocaine as a level 6 felony, assuming cocaine is between 5 to 10 grams? Well, they could get charged with a level 5 felony. Even though the gun wasn't physically on the person with the cocaine, possession can come in 2 different factors. Actual possession, where you actually have something on you, like your keys, your wallet, something in your pockets, or constructive possession, which is a little more complicated. That's where you could, as an individual, have the intent and capability of maintaining dominion control over that illegal item. So say that the person with the baggie made an incriminating statement to the police that that gun that they found was his, or he tried to flee when the police found the gun, or he tried to cover that gun with a pillow. These are certain examples that the state could use to prove that person had constructive possession of the firearm and of those drugs. So if you have any questions about gun and drug possessions, please call the Marc Lopez Law Firm at 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.